Put it all on me, I got this weight up on my shoulders. Don't forget what you believe now. Yeah, don't put me down for how I feel. I see you talk about it while we work $1,000 deals up. Only gotta tell me once, go and get it. I've been working on myself and I got no regrets yet. Over anything, don't you fake it. Dream about the day to tell mama we made it. Why you tripping? We don't need to hear that. Gotta keep it on the low, cause we still not overseas yet. Everything I said, I hope you know I mean that. On the real though, days like this I'm feeling like I'm real close. Couldn't tell you what I see, yeah, you know I try to. Look outside the window, no, sunny days can't describe you. No, we in it for that longitude, you won't disguise it now. You better have to get your mind right. Why you worry about me? I think you should take the time, go and care about yourself. We've been doing what we do, way too long, I don't really think that we need your help, no. Why you worry about me? I think you should take the time, go and care about yourself. You're almost original, yeah. Why you worry about me? I think you should take the time, go and care about yourself. We've been doing what we do, way too long, I don't really think that I need your help, no. Why you worry about me? I think you should take the time, go and care about yourself. Yeah, you're almost original, yeah. How close we get to it, we will never know. Still aiming for the gold at my shows, you can see it show. No, I don't think the attitude gonna buy you much, but try enough and you will probably see that I don't like it much. You like it, huh? Yes, I like the fact that you gon' try me some. Tell me that she like my music, type of words to hype me up. Don't care if you don't like me, bruh. Watch me steal your girl with just one song and tell me what it take for you to play along. I don't think she happy though, some things I can't